Airedale, good fellow, isn't it? You're going to arm wrestling that.
Eh?
You're going to arm wrestling.
Oh, take it easy, you can't harm me, Bill, will you?
How you doing? You okay? Good. Ooh, morning, Monday. Flipping it, that weather's turned. Oh, like freezing. Just started raining. We've just pulled up now to Cavendish. Well, pulled up, I've been here half an hour, so lads are just going off there. I don't know if you can see them. They're going for the sandwiches. I made them come here because I've got a busy day. I'm just going back to office now, get a lot of stuff sorted. Justin's rushed out to meet Matt at Grove House down the road. One of their arms has come loose on one at Gate Rams or something, so they're going to hopefully put some bigger brackets on or something. There's a good few 100 metres to do here. I think there's about 150 of normal digging, 2 metre twin mesh, bit of fencing to take down, a single gate to go in with that, and then there's a load of crank posts to go in. I think they're probably ready now. Carl might pick them up today. So yeah, lots to do, and then early morning me and Matt are away down to London for a networking exhibition thing, meeting our suppliers and stuff like that. So looking forward to that one. So yeah, just try to get everything boxed off today before we go there. So yes, I shall see you when I'm back at yard.
I'm just here down at Grove House with Matt. Just replaced all the brackets on these, all new brackets, so now we're hoping it all works and they haven't been destroyed. You'll see the old bracket, well I'll show you now. It looks like someone's been climbing on it, climbing frame. There's no way that an arm has done this to steel. Let's have a look where it is. That's the one from one side, absolutely fine. Yeah, look at this. And this has all been bent back in place. It were even worse than that. Like someone's been jumping up and down on that for it to do that. So you can see gates are locked solid. So fob on, it's left leaf opening, right leaf opening, left leaf coming shut, right leaf coming shut. Lock and end plate, and your word magnet energise, fully shut.
Morning, Tuesday morning. You see, I'm not in work. Just we might have a look. Just a nice breakfast and scones next to train station in Leeds. We'll catch a train very soon down into London. We're going to what is it? Exhibition? Security Expo, and a bit of networking as well. Some of my fencing suppliers there, and obviously a lot of Matt's kind of big players in the industry, MOD there and stuff like that. So yeah, should be a good day. Looking forward to it. Feel better now we've had something to eat. And then tonight, one of my suppliers is taking us out for a meal, so we thank you for that. So it should be a good day all in all. I just think King's Cross here, look at all these lovely security flags. Harry Potter station, 3/4 there, look, no queue for miles. You won't, would you? Yeah.
Loser! Idiot! Wimp! Degenerate!
Hey, we've landed. Quite busy as you can see here. You know, to say a few fans that. Oh. After the walk all the way around, took longer walking around building actually. Getting here, but yeah, I shall nosy about, catch up soon. It seems to help fencing manufacturers running out that. But this one sliding gate, built in it. Nice is that? Fast line. So look what I bumped up into here. Some old guy. This is Paul. Fast line steel. Yep, and how's this one hiding here?
Mike Fellows, Fast Line Steel.
This is Mike, main man, he's hiding, don't want to be on camera. Oh, this is James.
James, Fast Line Steel.
Yeah, quite big in fencing game, these guys. So yeah, nice to bump into them. I haven't dealt with them for a couple of years. no doubt we'll cross paths again. We're just discussing now off camera. I'm sure we'll do a deal or two. Any all? Big fellow in there. Rather. Big fellow in there. You're going to arm wrestling that.
Eh?
You're going to arm wrestling.
Oh, take it easy. It's Cam Harvey, Bill, William.
How you doing, UK?
Good. CLA stand here at C140. Got a man with money there. Oh, we got here. Introduce yourself.
Cameron Worthington, Finance Director, CLA.
I like this guy, he's getting beers. That's all that interests me. Come on then. Where are you going?
I'm going to the pub. See you later, Mark.
Who are you?
I am the one and only Rod Price, Sales Director.
Famous in fencing world.
Absolutely a legend in my own lifetime.
£6.40 Guinness. Granted, it's nice Guinness, but what are you saying, £6.40, but
Six end of London.
costs them about 40 pence to neck it, not £6.40.
We are in Kensington.
Well, we are in Kensington, posh end, like, but you know, £6.40? Nah.
Good afternoon. So here we are, Cavendish School. So this time we're doing the full outside boundary. The lads are just going down there now, a few more panels to go in. Thought I'd talk you into what we're doing. So all the part what we're doing now is 2 metre twin wire with a clamp bar system. If you don't know what a clamp bar system is, prevent people from being able to easily prise them off. So yeah, they're going to go all the way down to the bottom. This part here, we're going to have a double gate going in, replacing this gate, 2 overseas panels just there, and then the rest of it is all cranks on top of walls. I won't go up there at the minute because the kids are working, but it literally goes all the way up here, fencing on this side, all the way up and all the way down the back. So yeah, we're going to get this cracked off. We should be done Wednesday next week, I reckon. Yeah, lads are just getting last panel in for day today, and job's a good one. This is just a video for the crank post. So this is the first corner, and then this is another corner. It's going to be the same because this section here is coming out. So obviously it's going to have one on the front and then one on the side. So front will be there, side will be there. What needs doing to take for that, and then that'll take for that, that'll take for that, and that'll be perfect. And then same again down here. Just think the fence is going to be on the front of this, so the clips are going to be facing that way. So when you get to here, this post will want to be the same there, and it'll want some there for a clamp bar to take onto this side. And then we'll come back down again. This is fine, there's no turns, and we'll somehow attach to there. We might even take that post out. Same again here. We're going to have a panel coming off here, and it's going to connect, and we're going straight down there. That doesn't need one. And then this section here, it'll need another one again. It's going to be facing the front here, and then some on the side. Perfect. And then we'll just go down to that. So today we're going to concentrate on all the takedown bits and getting the both sides of the gates done. And then tomorrow we'll be going down the hill on the grass again. So I've got that all flying. Got one to put in up at the top. So yeah, all looking good. So how we want it to look. Nice outside boundary for him. So we're here starting the last bit of this job, 2 metre twin going down this hill. It's going to be slightly dug in just because it's quite a slope all the way down to the bottom. We have a 2 metre gate in there, pedestrian gate. All the outside's all boxed in now. So we're just working from the inside, and then up top we've got all the cranks to do, starting that Monday next week. As you can see, all looking nice. And that goes all the way up to the top, just on the outside of the old fence. Yeah, looking good. And obviously, if you remember last year, we did all this down here in the car park, double gates. We did some over there, and we've done some over there as well. So yeah, we'll get all this cracked off and done.
It's London done. Bit rough today though. Matt's fine. Don't know how he does it, that's the same as me. He must be a pro drinker. He said he don't hardly drink. I'm absolutely gone, cut bags under my eyes. Yeah, I'm just in change station waiting to get chair. Matt's staying down for a couple of days. Been a good do. Got well looked after last night by the guys from CLA, didn't we?
Yeah.
Nice Italian meal, steak and wine and beer and God knows what else. So yeah, well worth it. I thought the exhibition wasn't bad. Were you impressed?
They were alright.
I didn't mind it, mate.
Wear my kit there, but
No, I quite enjoyed it. Better than the other one I've been to before, so might come again. Morning. Whew, bit nippy again. We're just in it background there. We're just at his next job after current one that we're on at Cavendish, just sussing it out. We've got to come all the way along here, take all this old chain link down, and then it goes down there and then goes right down other side of the building. Quite a decent job really. Just a bit awkward. They've had all these trees cut down though. This were really overgrown here. At least they've cut all these trees down, so it was a nightmare this. I might be able to get the van just a bit closer there, just through there. And then it goes all the way down here. And it goes all the way down there to the bottom. It's quite a big job actually. Yeah, so this is one after current one we're on. So yeah, I'm just sussing it out for now and then we'll get back to you. Oh, hi there. Friday afternoon already. Just in office catching up with admin, nice and quiet at the minute. All the lads are out. In fact, Justin's just finished early. He's going up somewhere, Glasgow I think he said. Yeah, so just catching up here for a couple of hours. Carl's out, seeing a couple of welding job repairs that have come in. And then he's coming back, he's getting the post ready for the lads Monday. He's got them from powder coaters, he's picked them up, I can see them outside. And then he's just got to put the bolt things on, the clips, sorry. Been to show Justin the big job we're starting after where they are at Cavendish this week. Because I don't know if I've mentioned I'm having my gallbladder out early next week, so I'm not quite sure what to expect and how painful I might be, whether I'm mobile or not. Hopefully I'm okay. So I showed him the job after this one, which is a decent number, just in case, like I say, so he knows what he's doing there now, so he can organise that. We've checked all the stock, we've got everything that we need, so that's fine. So yeah, I'm going to call it here, because like I say, I'm just doing boring admin in the background. But it's been a bit of a different week for me, in and out of the office, one thing and another. Early in the week I was down in London, and you've probably seen loads of footage of that. Then, in fact, we've missed a networking event today. There's one normal one in Leeds, which is a shame. I haven't been the last couple of months, been that busy. But yeah, and then obviously I've been catching up with having a couple of days off in London. Then I've been out site surveying, so yeah, it's been quite a mixed sort of bag. I've hardly filmed any up here because every time I have been here I've just been getting stuck in catching up on admin, as you do, the non-glamorous stuff behind the scenes. So yeah, I mean, I haven't actually said out yet. I was going to do last week when it happened, but the whole ISG collapse, construction again. I mean, isn't this just another Carillion all over again? I mean, I had a rant then. I just don't know how these big companies working for 1% and 2%, and then the subby bashing, basically subcontractors, say like myself or others, joiners, brickies, firms, whatever, are literally financing the job. These big contractors, main contractors, don't have any workers themselves. They don't do anything except set a site up, a site compound. That's about all they do in the office. They don't actually do anything, they don't build anything. It's all subcontractors. So it's ridiculous really, you know. And then they're on 60, 90 day payment terms, and but you know, I just won't do it. I mean, I learned years ago I won't work for anyone like that. I just don't see the point. There's just no point in working on sites when all they want to do is scoop subcontractors down. There's better sites. I mean, I work for some contractors, don't get me wrong, but no, I won't work for them big tier ones. No chance. Anyway, I'm going to stop my rant now. Have a good Friday, everybody. If you like what we do, give us a thumbs up, put a comment down below, and we'll see you next week. Thank you.